Jatend migao mar weche tudruok pinje ma oko Musalia Mudavadi oyango ni kwan oganda Jo-Kenya manodhi e lweny mar piny Russia kendo lal omedore kowuok 10 nyaka e kind 24 e bwo seche 24 mokalo. Mudavadi kata kamano wacho ni pok oyangi chal mar ngimagi. Omedo bende ni nitiere oganda mamoko 47 ma giseduoko pacho ka kendo oseriwore gi familia magi. Mudavadi nolose e kinde mane ochopo e nyim od bura ma chiwo ler e wi wach ma kamano.
On record, we have two Kenyans, namely Evans Kibet and Macharia Willie Muniu, who are held in Ukraine as prisoners of war. From the records, the summary is that 252 Kenyans may have been enlisted into the Russian special military operations. This number could be maybe slightly higher or slightly less, but that is where we have gotten indication either through family members or through other sources. Let me also put it on record, Madam Chair, that there are about 1,000 Kenyan nationals living and working in Russia. And I would like to emphasize this so that there is no mistake by the media. The ones involved in the wrong activities are 252.